Howdy folks, how's it going? Nate's here. I'm trying to correct my mistakes from previous shaping of carbide gravers, and now I got a new rod, new piece, new blank, and I'm trying to make 120-degree heel graver. I mean 120-degree. There you can see it. And this is just roughly on my 100 grit diamond discs. And I hope I make this facets now even. It looks pretty even, and the face is roughly 45 degrees. You can see it. So next stage is 600 grit diamond and 3000, but I'm going to sharpen the face, polish the face and tiny heels by hand. I'm going to show a video about it. So stay tuned to how this works. I'm going to cut stainless steel with this one and just steel in general. So I'm going to experiment a little bit and see if it holds up, and I'll keep you guys posted. So thanks for watching and keep your gravers sharp.